Guys, right now we're at the shop. Came to do some work here, so I said let me eat first and get myself. Yes, we're at the shop now, so I said let me eat and get myself. You guys can come and join me. You see, I'm having rice and I'm having some stew fish. So I said let me eat too before we start work. How you all doing today? We are at the shop. Today is work day, so we are ironing right now. So it's a laundry shop, by the way. You guys know already now, wash and iron. So what we are doing now is ironing right now. So this is the way we iron the clothes here at the laundry. So let's watch and learn.
Do you see how the front got straight in the little from the back? Little iron on the back of the front straight.
By the way, I still want to show you guys. We are still washing though. We are washing a duvet and a bed sheet as well. This is our washing machine here, and we're actually washing now. Washing a duvet and a bed sheet as well. So this is how our place looks like. Here we have the washing machine. So we wanna pray for us, so may God bless our hustle. Yes, this is our laundry shop. These are curtains that we've washed earlier, but we have to iron them as well. But these are the ones we've ironed so far, but we are still on the process of ironing.
Where money go, I go follow. Anywhere where this money hide, I go catch up. This how or that how, anyhow yaga yaga. Chase the money, get the money, anyhow yaga yaga. This way or that way, anyway yaga yaga. Money don't know how you get up, anyway yaga yaga. Oh. This how or that how, anyhow yaga yaga. Chase the money, get the money, anyhow yaga yaga. Good way or bad way, anyway yaga yaga. Money don't know how you get up, anyway yaga yaga. Oh.
I want to go reach counter.
I don't want that for story. I want see the glory. I don't care for suffer. I want follow enjoy. I don't want that for story. I want see the glory. I don't care for suffer. I want follow enjoy. Anyhow. or that how, anyhow, yaga yaga. Chase the money, get the money.
You don't get me.
This way or that way, anyway, yaga yaga. Money don't know how you get back. Anyway, yaga yaga. This how or that how, anyhow, yaga yaga. Chase the money, get the money, anyhow, yaga yaga. Good way or bad way, anyway, yaga yaga. Money don't know how you get back. Anyway, yaga yaga.
More music at divineflavor.com.
Here we have all the what's it called? All the accessories to one finished pasta.
I need powder for this
Now
bowl.
here I did one kaira.
How much is this? It's now 1-3 now.
How much?
1-3, my sister.
How much are they selling?
1-3. My bottle.
Where money go, I go follow her. Anywhere where this money hide, I go catch her. This how or that how, anyhow, yaga yaga. Chase the money, get the money, anyhow, yaga yaga. This way or that way, anyway, yaga yaga. Money don't know how you get back. Anyway, yaga yaga. This how or that how,
have lovely, lovely perfume too. Oh, come on,
chase the money, get the money, anyhow, yaga yaga. Good way or bad way, anyway, yaga yaga. Money don't know how you get back. Anyway, yaga yaga.
How much are you?
Finally, I'm seeing
But it smells nice. The content, I mean. Recommend one. No, this perfume. I'm going to chop with spread.
Anyhow, yaga yaga. Anywhere money go, I go follow her. Anywhere where this money hide, I go catch her. This how or that how,
Yeah.
anyhow, yaga yaga. Chase the money, get the money, anyhow, yaga yaga. This way or that way, anyway, yaga yaga. Money don't know how you get up. Anyway, yaga yaga. This how.
So guys,
I'm
you
not
see what
getting
we go
your
through
face,
as
don't
content creators, giving you guys vlogs for you guys to watch.
Okay,
So at
no,
this
there's no
point
problem. No, but
people around there, you can see people, a lady and a guy was there, so they were like asking, I hope you guys are not filming us, so I hope we are not in the video. We have to tell them no, that we are not. We're making sure that they are not telling the video. This is what we go through. It's not easy creating content for you guys, so you see what we go through. It's not easy. Sometimes when you carry your camera, they look you like, say, what is wrong with this person? It's not easy vlogging. I won't lie to you guys. It's not easy. I know some of us can relate with what I'm saying right now. I don't know. But thank you guys so much. If you've watched up to this extent, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment on the video. Thank you.
Come and take. You've sent it. Come and take. Oh.